Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goriso Gamer and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take a quick look at Power Drive on a Commodore Amiga from 1994. It's a rally game and I enjoy rallies, so why not? It's a game request by John Gage. So, let's see. There is choices here to practice, and you need to practice a lot to master this game, that's for sure. I have not get the hang of it. I can reveal that right now. We can put the music on or off. Yeah, we can keep it on. Why not? Let's start the game. There you go. And I play this on Amiga 1200 configuration, and I'm using a Xbox One controller. And here I can choose cars. I think they are the same cars, just different colors. This is called Mini Cooper, I think. And I will buy that one, $25,000. Yes, please. So it's Monte Carlo here, yeah, it follows the VRC schedule, I think, because it's the VRC always starts in Monte Carlo. It's classic rally. So I drive as Sebastian Ogier here today from on my home soil in Monte Carlo. So here we go. So I push my first button here for accelerate, and it's very slippery. And when I throttle down, I lose speed very quick. That is not so good actually. And it's very wobbly. Oh shit! So you lose control very quick. So this is a game you really need to practice to get the hang of it. Because in the turns you really need to get into the turns in the right angle and all that to gain speed. Yeah, it's very tricky. And I missed all the money there as well. So there you go, that's it, there you go. And I'm not going to continue here because I have tried the second stage and it's just a waste of time. Because I don't know how to drive it actually. But once you get the hang of it, I think this can be a really fun game actually. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. So there you go, why not? Cool, check it out. That was Power Drive on Amiga. That's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.